Okay, here is how you can make the edit. The first thing we want to do is open our images. So I'm going to search for space and I'm going to choose a cool space photo. I used, which one? This one. Okay. And then I'm going to go back home and I'm going to find a jellyfish. Okay. And I'm going to choose one that I can see the whole body of the jellyfish on its own. So this one's quite nice. Okay. And if I wanted to, I can choose another jellyfish as well. But what I'm going to do now is I need to lasso this jellyfish. So I'm going to use my lasso. And there's a little help lasso called magnetic. And this helps it stay close to the object you're lassoing. So I'm going to select that and I'm going to go around my jellyfish. And this helps you to stay close instead of it going all over the place. But you still need to be really careful and keep your finger on the mouse as you go around. So I'm just going to go around my jellyfish as close as I can to the parts. Okay, trying not to get too much of the background as best as I can. Going around and around, keeping my finger on the mouse at all times, and around, slowly around the head. And when I get to the start, I'm going to double click, click, and you can see it gets the flashing lines. Then I'm going to go to edit, cut, bye-bye, over to the space picture, edit, paste, and there it is. Now I'm going to use my pointy pointer and I can see I'm on the correct layer here. There's the background, there's the jellyfish, and I'm going to make him smaller. Whoop. All right. Now, the thing is, I can see that this isn't perfect. I can see some black by here. So I'm going to use the eraser and I'm just going to zoom in a bit and I'm going to erase some of that black out and some black by there and there. And you can see now it blends a lot better. So I'm just going to go around and try and take out some of this black bits. And the other thing that you can use that makes it look good is the heal option. So I'm going to make sure heal, and if I click on this black bit here, can you see that it kind of hides it? Isn't that good? And around, and it also helps to stop it looking so straight with the lines. So I'm just going to go around and heal some of these parts, make it look a little bit better. And here, and here. All right, I'm kind of happy with that jellyfish. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to my pointy pointer. And now that he looks better, I'm going to edit, copy, edit, paste again. And if I pull him, there's another one there and I can put a whole bunch of jellyfish in. The other thing I can do is I don't really like this spaceship. I could cover the spaceship, or if I wanted to, I can open up another jellyfish picture and do another jellyfish if I wanted to. But I'm just going to go back actually and show you. Now these jellyfish don't blend in so well, so I'm going to use the adjustment, brightness. I'm going to make him a little, ooh, can you see I'm changing the brightness of the background? That's because I'm on the background layer. So I'm going to cancel that and I'm going to select my jellyfish. My adjustment now. There we go, that looks better. If I make it a little bit brighter, remember we did the contrast as well in the first week. And I'm going to change the temperature. Maybe I want to make him a bit cooler because he's in space. And the tint, I kind of like this colour, yeah. And finally, the hue and the saturation. So do you want a different colour jellyfish? I'm going to try and keep it as close as possible, maybe make it a little bit grayer. Saturation, remember, is how much colour is in it. And yeah, I think that looks good. And apply. And now you can see he does blend in a little bit better than the other one.